We want to solve 2 minus sine theta minus 3 cos 2 theta equals 0 in the range 0 to 360, giving answers to 2 decimal places. Now, we know that there's 3 different versions of cos 2 theta, but here, the one that we might be interested in is 1 minus 2 sine squared theta, because we can produce a quadratic in sine if we do that. So 2 minus sine theta minus 3 cos 2 theta equals 0 becomes 2 minus sine theta, take away 3, 1 minus 2 sine squared theta equals 0. So that's 2 minus sine theta, take away 3, plus 6 sine squared theta is 0. And tidying that gives me 6 sine squared theta minus sine theta, take away 1, is equal to 0. And that's a quadratic. Not only that, I can factorize it. So I'll put 3 sine theta here, 2 sine theta here, 1 and 1. And if I make this one a minus and this one a plus, that does the trick. So if you think about expanding that, we get 6 sine squared theta plus 2 sine theta minus 3 sine theta, which is my minus sine theta, take away 1. So that gives me that sine theta is negative 1/3, or sine theta equals a half. And both of those are completely viable. So we need to solve both of them. Now sine theta is a half. That's nice and straightforward because this is one of our standard values. So principal value would be 30 degrees. Use our cast diagram. And so we've got 30. Sine, which is positive, means the other one is here. And if we go around and collect those, it's 30 degrees and 150 degrees. We've looked at that a number of times, so I don't think I need to spend a long time looking at that this time. So we've got 30 degrees and 150 degrees. And although it says 2 decimal places here, I think for those exact values we'd leave them like that. Now, with the sine theta is negative 1/3, we're going to need to use the calculator to get the principal value. So, making sure my calculator's in degree mode, which it is, I'm going to do inverse sine of negative 1/3. And that gives me negative 19.47. So theta is negative 19.47 degrees. Now I know that's not in the range, but it doesn't matter. We'll find the ones in the range. So it was a sine, it was negative. This is 19.47, this is the negative 19.47, and by symmetry and the fact that the sign will be negative here, this is 19.47 as well. So we need to collect solutions between 0 and 360. So the first one is at 180 plus 19.47, and the next one would be 360, take away that. So 180 add 19.47 gives me 199.47. And then we've got 360 take away 19.47, and that's 340.53.